What's up, everybody? We're at Fat Cracker Homestead. It's been a couple weeks. I think it's time for another peanut video. We're going to try to do those dill peanuts again. I ain't doing a lot this weekend. I'm going to do a small batch, see how it turns out, see if I get it right, and I can start putting it out there with my cages and my regulars. All right, we'll get to it. All right, we got some peanuts in the pot. We didn't fill it all the way up. We're going to go about a quarter way or half the way. We're going to take it. We're going to add some sliced pickle in there. And we're going to pour some of the pickle juice. Then I got some dill weed I'm going to put in there. Sprinkle that around. Add that. And then we'll be right back. All right. So now we're going to add some pickled okra and put that in there. All around. Get that in there. All right. Put that in there. Now, I got some fresh dill. We'll sprinkle around in there. 3 cloves of garlic chopped, cut in half. Put them in there. Get all that in there. And a little bit of whole peppercorn. All right. And we'll be back. We're going to add more peanuts. Let me go get them and we'll start back up. All right, we got our peanuts. We're going to add these to them. All right, we'll stop right there. And we'll add some more pickle juice. Some more dill weed. And then the pickled okra. This is a dirty dill from Wickles. So it's got pickled okra and pickled peppers in it. So I think I'll add the peppers to it too. There we go. Get just a little bit of spice, not much. All right, there we go. Save them 2 for me. I'll probably end up putting that juice in here too. More peppercorn. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna cut the pickle and put in there, and then we'll be ready to put some water to it and get it going. All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna put this 3 chopped pickles in here. Some more fresh dill, 3 more garlic cloves. Put that there. Put that down. Then we're gonna, I gotta fish the other pepper out of here. The other 2 pieces of okra I'm gonna eat, but that pepper could go in there. And then we'll add this juice. I'll eat them 2 pieces of okra. That's got a little bit of garlic in it too. Then we'll move that around. And then we're going to add a little bit and see how they taste after they cook overnight. But we're going to add some salt. This is plain salt, not iodized. Like that. And then I'm going to put the water on it and put it on the stove and see where we go from there. All right, we're here at the stove. I got the water in it. The peanuts rose. That's why it looks like the way it does. It's up above the top of the pot, but the water's right there. If I push down, you see the water. So we'll let them boil down. They'll cook in and they'll sink. Put our lid on it. Let that lid sit, and then we'll turn the stove on to about medium heat and let them go. And we'll come back to them in the morning. All right, everybody, we're back to finish the peanut video. I brought some peanuts outside here for the pot to test. We're going to test one out and see how it turns out. Got it right here. They cook a lot better. I let them boil, then turn them off, let them seep for a little bit. They brought them back up to heat again. Let them seep again so the flavor get inside that shell of the peanuts. So we'll give it a taste, see how it tastes. Definitely got that dill flavor. Sucking that juice out of the shell. But I lost that one. Peanuts got a dill flavor. Slightly. Not like the juice does, though. That juice is good. I think they turned out pretty good. They taste way better than the last time. I put a little too much salt. But not too bad, but it's a little bit too much salt for me. They taste good. Something definitely I'll try again. So that's it for the peanut video. It's definitely going on my menu. Just remember, guys, if you ain't trying, you ain't making it, bud. Y'all have a good one.